You see. But like, me lie down there and the guy will tell me, say, listen me how this go. He listen me. He say, me boil the nutmeg and the herb and wash the eye. But then me lie down and I say to me, then if the sickness is inside and it show outside,
Yes.
then if you work on the outside,
Yes.
the sickness not still inside. So you have to work on the inside too.
Yes.
So the eye was job when give me the job, say me beat up in the eye. And the center when say me boil the wash the eye, me boil the out, boil the me take when me wash the eye man, me drink 1 cup of it. The same wash, you know. Because if there's something inside, so it have to work on the inside now to heal the outside. The outside alone can't heal himself. A history, Kevin. Then no much knowledge attack to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Eh? And inside the thing there, and you wash it outside, then the inside now go heal for you see outside. So you the same thing can heal the inside too. Right? So, and knowledge until you say it will increase. The outside alone can't help, man. You have to use the inside. I say.